Hello everyone. Now we are going to take an example on direct form realization 1 and 2, how we are going to do it numerically. Okay, we can do it in a very faster way and it will be quick if you just understand the trick what I am trying to say. So if you take the lectures, if you observe what we have done in direct form 1, that in direct form 1 we actually devise the system in two forms. One, we have taken the poles and taken the zeros. So in direct form 1 we have taken zeros first and then the poles. Okay, so this is the form of direct form 1. And in case of direct form 2, what we have done, we have taken poles first and then the zeros. So this is the direct form 2. Now here these coefficients are actually of zeros and these are the poles. So when we are going from direct form 1, how we are going to do this? We know that there are two summers in direct form 1 as well as in direct form 2. We got two summers. So this part is our xn and this part is our yn. And we know in direct form 1 the delays are in the sideways. In both sides delays are present. Now what we are going to do, as in this side the zeros will be in the input side and the poles in the output side. Now you just remember a trick that if you think of the zeros, the coefficient of the zeros will be come as it is. But when you think of the coefficient of the poles, it will be, the sign it is given here will be reversed. Okay, that is the trick, nothing else. So when we are taking xn, so the value of xn for direct form 1, the 6 is coming directly. So 6 is coming directly. And what is there is 0.7 z inverse. So the z inverse will come here and the coefficient here will be 0.7. Okay, so 0.7 is added to this. So this will be the part of the zeros in direct form 1. Now come to the pole part. So what is the value of poles? The value of poles is first is 1, then the value of pole is z inverse. So here we will take a z inverse. The coefficient associated with is plus 1, but here it will be negative. So it will be minus 1 here. Okay. And if you think of this part, another part is there, so we need another delay over here and the coefficient associated with it is 1 minus 1.2. So it will be plus 1.2 here. So this part is added with this and this part will be added with this. So this will be the structure for direct form 1. Now what is going to happen in direct form 2? Same thing will happen, but what will appear, the poles will be in the left hand side and the zeros in the right hand side. So what we are going to do, we are going to put two summers, just put two summers and write xn here and yn here. Another thing for direct form 2, what we are going to remember, that the delay elements are in the mid row, in the mid column. So the delay element will appear here. Now this will, for the coefficient will come for the poles, and we know that for poles the coefficients will be given in a negative form, what is given in the equation, just in the reverse form. So for when we are putting a delay element here, so it will be the z inverse. So the value of the coefficient is plus 1. We will take it as minus 1 here. And we will add it with the xn part. And next the value is minus 1.2. So we are going to take another delay, and what is the coefficient associated with it? As it is minus 1.2, we will take it as plus 1.2. Okay, and we put a summer here, and this will be added with this. It's become clumsy, and added with this. Okay, now what is going to happen for the zeros? The 0 is 6. So here we are getting the 6, and 0.7, no change will occur for the zeros. So it will be 0.7, and it is coming through the delay, and it will add it to this one. So this is the realization of direct form 2. So this is the realization of direct form 1, and this is the realization of direct form 2. So if you just remember the trick that two summers will appear, in direct form 1 there's a delay element will be the sideways, and the coefficient will be changed. The sign change will appear for the coefficient of poles but not zeros. And the in direct form 1, first we will take zeros and then poles. And for direct form 2, the similar approach, but it will be reversed. First we will take the poles and then the zeros. Same thing appeared that for poles the coefficient what is given in the expression will change. The sign of the coefficient will change, but it will not happen for the coefficient of the zeros. So this, if you just remember a few tricks, it will be very easier to complete the numerical problems on these type of realization very quickly. Thank you.